I'd like to take a minute to talk to you about experts and expert witnesses in the criminal process, because I think it's one of the things that we do very well here at Neuberger Rose and something that our clients come to expect from us. Expert witnesses come in a variety of different forms. There can be forensic toxicologists. You see these a lot in drinking and driving cases. Forensic accountants. This happens a lot in fraud cases. Fire marshals, which happens a lot in arson cases. Or, for instance, molecular biologists, which are forensic DNA experts. When it comes to forensic DNA, quite often what a Crown attorney will try and do is prove that the client is the culprit by tying some piece of material from the crime scene back to the client themselves. What we do at Neuberger Rose and how we prepare for a case involving any forensic expert, whether it be a toxicologist, a fire marshal, or a molecular biologist in the case of DNA, is we prepare, and we prepare to the nth degree. We take a lot of time to understand the science behind the expert's testimony. There's a lot of legal rules as well about the admissibility of that evidence and how it's to be treated. So when we prepare, what we do is we spend a lot of time reading the source material and getting up to speed so that we're experts ourselves and we're able to challenge those witnesses and tell which part of their testimony is wrong, which part can be challenged, and which part of it we simply want to avoid. You have to understand the science behind the expert. You have to understand the legal limitations to what an expert can testify to. You have to understand as well how important this expert is to the Crown's case. In other words, as they say, what weight can be attributed to the expert witness. That's how we prepare at Neuberger Rose, and it's really the only way of taking care of a case involving an expert witness. It's one of the things that we do very well at Neuberger Rose and something that you can count on when you come to this firm to defend your case.